In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder in Windows 11 File Explorer. Getting organized starts with a simple folder. Whether you're sorting photos, class notes, or project files, creating a dedicated place for them will save you time later. We'll walk through it step by step so you feel confident the next time you open File Explorer. First, open File Explorer. Use whatever method is most familiar to you. Click the folder icon on your taskbar, search for File Explorer in Start, or use the Windows key +E shortcut. Once it's open, take a moment to decide where this new folder should live. You might choose Desktop for quick access, Documents for personal files, Downloads if you're grouping recent items, or another drive or network location. The key is to navigate to the exact spot before you create anything, so you don't have to move it afterward. With your destination open, you're ready to make the folder. In Windows 11, look to the top of the window for the command bar. Click New, then choose Folder from the drop-down. That instantly creates a blank folder ready to be named. If you prefer using the mouse within the main window, right-click an empty area of the file list. Make sure you're not clicking on an existing file or folder, and select New Folder from the menu. Both methods do the same thing, so use the one that feels natural. As soon as the folder appears, its name field will be highlighted. Type a clear, descriptive name that tells you what belongs inside. Avoid characters. Windows doesn't allow, like slashes, colons, asterisks, or question marks. A concise format such as Project Q4 reports or 2026 photos makes it easy to search and sort later. When you're happy with the name, press Enter to confirm. If you change your mind, you can press F2 to rename it later, or use Ctrl+Z to undo and start again. That's all there is to it. Open File Explorer, go to the right location, create the folder from the New button or a right-click, then name it and press Enter. Taking a few extra seconds to pick the best location and a clear name will keep your files tidy and easy to find. Thanks for watching. Now that you've mastered creating a new folder, you're ready to organize your files with confidence.